If you want to create tree in Blender using Eevee render engine, then this video is for you. Here I create and render tree using Eevee render engine. Follow all steps showing in this video. Open Blender application. Then delete default cube and light from scene. In this scene, I use Dynamic Sky add-on for light and sky environment. Select Dynamic Sky add-on in World Properties. Add plane mesh object. Increase scale of plane as your ground area. Go to Material Properties of Plane Object. Assign ground material to plane object. You need to append tree trunk and leaf set from blend file. For that, download all objects blend file from link. File download link given in description. Click on File. Click on Append. Select downloaded blend file. Open blend file. Go to Object folder in blend file. Select Leaf, Tree 1, Tree 2, Tree 3 object and click on Append button. You can see tree trunk and leaf set in viewport. Select leaf object. Move leaf object under plane. Select tree 1 object. Go to Particle Properties of Object. Add new particle settings. Rename particle settings as tree leaf. Select hair option. Select Advanced checkbox. Set emission number to 500. Under rendered option, select rendered as object. Set scale to 0.1. Select leaf object in instance object. In vertex group density, select leaf area. Select rotation checkbox. Set orientation axis as global Z. Set randomize value to 1. Enter 2 in randomize face value. You can increase number of leaf branch on tree by changing emission number value to 1000. Apply this method on remaining 2 tree trunk objects. Using this method, you can create different types of trees with different density of leaf branches.